everybody. I'm Dr. Alex. Today we'll be making a science experiment that can make falling colors in a jar. So you would need food coloring, oil, a small cup, spoon, and a big cup of water. The small cup can't have water. Okay, so step 1: pour the oil 2-inch high in the glass of water. Whoops. Then add drops of food coloring. Okay, now stir them up. They turn into different dots, like little dots, like glitter in a jar. Now pour it inside the jar. See, and then and then see what will happen. Kind of takes a while to do it, but it might form soon. Since the timer is only done, I take out my goggles. Let me see what. Oh, here comes the surprise. The colors fall into different. The colors fall down. They look squiggly. They look like squiggly shapes, and they look squiggly. So that's that, and the food coloring goes slowly down. It makes a beautiful scene. It's just like a DNA. It's like parts of a DNA. So it's falling down, and it's wow, it's so cool. They fall down, and at the end of the rope, the rope of the rope, end of that, and when they're big enough, when they're on the end, they make kind of little dots. Bye, guys. See you next time.